As a college student, I know the feeling of looking at an iPad and realizing how huge of an investment it is, and wondering how it would actually benefit you in your college experience. Personally, for me, having an iPad has been a great tool for my studies, but having one doesn't benefit everyone. So in this video, I wanted to share my thoughts on how buying an iPad has been worth it for me and the ways I utilize it as a student. Before getting an iPad, my organization routine was a bit bulky because I'm the type of student to have 4 different notebooks for each class. I would find myself overwhelmed because I was trying to keep up with too much from too many different angles. It wasn't productive and always ended up messy, and that sometimes affected my grades. So integrating all of my important class documents, my syllabus, and assignments digitally into one device has decreased that stress by simply minimizing what I needed to keep up with. Now the only thing I'm responsible for is keeping up with my iPad, and that creates such a lighter feeling as a student. Speaking of lighter loads, as a student, we all know physical textbooks can not only be heavy, but quite costly as well. And that wasn't a problem I needed an iPad to solve, but being able to lighten my load and save money by downloading the digital PDF versions to my iPad has been such a huge help for me personally. And on top of that, with digital versions of my books, I can highlight freely and make notes in them guilt-free. One of the most common reasons students consider getting an iPad for college is the digital note-taking aspect. And this was the biggest reason I considered an iPad as well. You see, I'm a heavy note-taker type student. It's the way I absorb information the best. And yes, typing notes is an option, but I'm not the fastest typer and the information doesn't stick the same. Something about physically writing my notes helps me understand and study so much better. So getting an iPad for digital note-taking has been the perfect middle ground for me as a student. When using my iPad for digital notes, I can write out my notes, highlight, and organize exactly how I want, just like I would with a regular notebook. But everything stays digital, searchable, and easy to access. Touching on easy access, the portability of the iPad is honestly unmatched. The fact that everything lives in one stylish device just makes studying and reviewing feel so much more accessible and manageable. I love that I can sneak in study time during short waiting periods, like vet appointments for my fur babies. I'll just pull out my iPad and review a few notes for school. That added portability with the iPad really comes in handy with fitting study time into my lifestyle. Recently, I was able to complete an entire group project using just my iPad. From Zoom meetings with my group members to working in Google Slides and finalizing an entire PowerPoint. Everything felt so much more natural and convenient than squinting at my phone or lugging around a laptop. One surprising tool that I've been playing around and utilizing a lot more with my iPad is digital planning. I was more of a paper planner type girl and was very skeptic if digital planning would stick, but I have to say, having an iPad has helped me with managing my planning, my study time, assignment due dates, and also be able to set reminders that also can come to my phone. It's made staying on top of deadlines feel way more manageable and a lot less stressful for me. Of course, iPad can have its limitations, and honestly, all the benefits I've talked about in this video can technically be done with paper, on your phone, or on a laptop. For students, I feel like iPad is more of an additional tool that helps simplify your college setup and can keep things more streamlined instead of bouncing between multiple devices and setups. I do think the iPad is a great option for students if you value organization, flexibility, and portability, and having everything in one place. I personally really enjoy having my iPad as my college sidekick, but let me know in the comments what you think. Are you considering an iPad for school? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPad tips and tech reviews. And follow me on my other socials at Tanya X Shanae Digital. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.